YouTube? It's me, Unique here, and I wanted to come to you all, and I know it's been like a week since I've uploaded something, but today is the 18th of October, and I wanted to give you all an update that I've had my hair up for over a month. So this is going to be really quick. Stop saying Neek. But this is going to be really quick, and pretty much what I wanted to say is that the pros and the cons of the hair. So, the pros of the hair. It is cheap. The hair is cheap. The hair is like very affordable. Another pro is it is easy to work with, and it does last. I'm going to step out into the light to give you all a little bit better preview of, you know, a closer up view of what my hair looks like now. It really, honestly, there are no cons to this hair. I have not had any problems. Now as far as like running my fingers through it, you know, it's getting the classic tangle, you know, like that. But it's not like, you ever had kind of like the crochet wine curls or whatever? And I've done a video about crochet wine. I did the wine curls crochet method, and I'll put that at the top here or in the description box below as well for that video that I did a while ago. But you know, when that stuff gets old, like it ain't none of this. Like taking your fingers through and getting just a little stuck and a little tangle coming right back out, it's none of that, you know. But this hair, as you can see, like I can just go through it. And I'm gonna be 110% honest with you. Have I put any more product on the hair itself? No, I have not. I have not put any gel. I have not put any oil sheen. I have not put any argan oil, coconut oil. I have not put anything on this hair. To me, it's great. Like, you know, honestly, I have not had any complaints. As far as like people who I've recommended the hair to, and then also people still compliment me on this hair. You know, people still asking me where did I get the hair from, how did I do it, all that stuff. Let's see. Like I said, it's no cons at all to the hair, and it's still bouncy. As you can see, like I'm pulling this, and it still bounced right back. So honestly, y'all, get some of this spring twist hair and get started. Now I will say this, it took me on the last couple videos, a lot of people have asked me how long did it take me. In the last video I said I really didn't know, because I did do it over the course of a couple of days. Now if I was to time myself, because I had to twist 8 bags of hair for the giveaway winners or whatever, and those have been shipped out to them. That took, with life and trying to focus on doing that along with living regular life, and I do work. You know, I'm not one of those YouTubers that do YouTube full time. That's not my thing, and I'm not a hairdresser. I'm not any of that. I work. I have a standard 9 to 5, and mine is more of like a 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. at night. So I'm beat by the time I get off work. But that's neither here nor there. So, yeah. When I tried to time, when I was doing one of the bags of hair, I estimated an hour and a half. And in that hour and a half, I split every single strand except for maybe 7. That's one bag. That was the only bag that I was able to actually time. And I don't know, maybe I'm a little slow with my twisting, or I don't know. But I guess I basically rounded it up to about an hour and a half per bag. And that's if I split every strand except for like 7. You know what I'm saying? Like 7 of them I kept whole just to not make it too uniform. I like the whole, you know, it look a little different. So, and that's, I didn't count the last time. Like when I originally did my hair, y'all seen me, I just pulled like just one little strand. Or sometimes you get things like this. Come on, focus camera. Sometimes you have a little strands, but you see I just pulled it out. It was like secondhand thing, I just pulled it out. That was it. But yeah, honestly, there are no cons to this hair. It has lasted me a long time. The only reason why I'm getting ready to take mine down is because of my roots. And my hair does grow fast, but then again, it's been over a month. So my hair should have grown, of course. Naturally, it should have grown. And yeah, I need to wash my hair. Okay, it's time. And honestly, I have not been working out at all this month. But if you work out constantly, then you know you need to wash your hair a lot sooner. You know, because you're sweating all the time. Me, I ain't worked out, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm about to start back though. So the other question is, will I do this hairstyle again? Of course. Hell yeah, I'm gonna do this hairstyle again. Cause it's been a whole month and I ain't had to do nothing to my hair but wake up, put it in a ponytail, put it in a bun, put it to the side, you know. And there's been nights where I've went to sleep and I didn't have a bonnet on. Actually, honestly, for the last week or two, I have not had a bonnet on. No bonnet, no scarf, none of that. Okay, like maybe during the day, like if I run to the store or something like that, like on break, because y'all know I work from home. But yeah, like if I'm running to the store or something, maybe I'll put like a scarf on because my edge is not laid. But even in here, my edges are not laid. Like I'm gonna show y'all, like I've been running around all day and I'm gonna show y'all all this stuff, what it look like, good, bad, ugly, and sad. So let's jump into that and then we gonna come back. Okay, y'all, this is my hair. Ain't no you know, this is just like worn down. Like it's a little dusty. Okay, it needs to be washed. It definitely needs to be washed. My scalp is a little dry. It's time. It's really time to go ahead and take these down. Look how much new growth. Okay, that's what we looking at. We're looking at a lot of new growth. But other than that, look at the twist. This is the twist, y'all. Don't focus on my cousins through marriage eyebrows, okay? Because they ain't sisters. You know, in the makeup community, beauty community, they say they supposed to be sisters. These are cousins through marriage. Focus on this, honey, okay? That's how they look. Like, to me, Yup, it's another stop in the video asking you, did you subscribe? Girl, I don't understand. What are you waiting on? What's going on? Talk to me. Tell me what I can do for you, okay? Because, I mean, you gonna want to see more. And, you know, if you subscribe to, you already know how this go. You know what I'm saying? We family now. You know what I'm saying? Cousin, sis, you know, auntie. You know, we family. If you, you know, hit the red button, get subscribed. If you already subscribed, you know, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. There will be more giveaways and all that good stuff. If you ain't subscribed, I don't know what you waiting on, but the subscription button is waiting for you to click it, and then the bell button is like dancing right next to it. It's like doing the bankhead bounce, like click me next, you know. All right, back to the video. The ends could, you know, I could have put some oil or something like that on them, but to me, honestly, I mean, they was cool to me. I didn't have no problems. People still complimenting me on it. So yeah, yeah. Oh Jesus, when I look at this footage, I'm gonna be like, girl, don't upload that. But no, I want y'all to see the real. You know, my scalp a little dry. So, but I've been putting, you can see my hair, then twist it up. I've been putting, I use, you know, She Is Bomb Edge Control, and I also use that Eco Style gel that I showed you all in the original video. And that's pretty much it. That's it. Show y'all. Okay, y'all, I hope I provided all the information for you all, and I hope they gave you a good enough overview of the hair. Yeah, so that's it for now, and until next time. I was closing it out, but I think I forgot. I'm rambling, but I think I forgot something. I didn't. Subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I promise I will try to respond to everything. Oh, and if you were on the live earlier, it wasn't a lot of people on the live earlier, but if you were on the live earlier and you were asking me questions, I promise I was not ignoring you. I'm special, y'all. I don't know how to figure out how to get the damn comments to show up so I can respond to y'all. And honestly, when I look back at, because I didn't save that video because there was music playing and the copyrights and all that other stuff. So honestly, I don't like going live on YouTube. I really don't, because I don't like sitting there and not talking like without music or something like that. I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. But if you want to catch me on a live and ask me questions, your best thing is to follow me on Instagram, because now, baby, I'm going live. Like I'm going live any chance that I get, and y'all can probably ask me. I will probably answer a question quicker on Instagram than I do on YouTube, because I mean, although both of them come to my phone, I'm not always able to access YouTube as fast and see the comments in the order they receive. So it's best for you to contact me, like, hell, y'all contact me anywhere. I'm finna get better with this. Don't worry about that. We're not even gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna worry about that, because y'all family and I need to be answering y'all questions. And I'm sorry if I'm taking too long to answer y'all questions. I'm about to get better at that, okay? Because yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and until next time.